All right, people, we are here at Bowie Nature Park,
Nature Park.
something,
Nature Park.
something like that. And trying to find the trailhead. A little confusing right now.
To get on
it was supposed to be raining though, and it's not, so that's kind of good.
Woods.
We're pretty happy about that. Yay!
That's pretty.
Super pretty. Presumably, what this park was named for. We have found the trailhead, we think.
We found a trailhead.
Jacob's birthday run is about to begin. How old are you?
39. 39 going on death.
Wait, you're 39?
39.
Oh man, I thought you were 37.
No, thanks. I appreciate that.
All right, we'll catch up soon. Soft up hill.
Yeah, because you're like, all the runners know you should be running this. Your legs are tired.
But after X number of miles, it's a whole different ball game. Just run through it. Perimeter trail. Found what we were looking for. Oh, it was super slick. My first step on the ramp, I almost bit it. Ready? Along the power line. Fun.
Go get to run one of Jam Jam races.
Oh, dude, that would be awesome. Get shit off the ground.
Yep.
We go play. Just think of all the things we can play in this research.
Yeah. I feel like the Black Canyon would be a good one. Early in the year. So it's going to be cool out there.
Yep.
Don't have to worry about those.
Oh. This is fucking beautiful. This is trail running in New Hampshire. Little snack break back at the bathroom area. We're gonna go
Van Lake Trail.
Van Lake Trail to the Perimeter Trail and then cut our way back through. See how much that works out to be. Ready?
Now, let's do it. Whoa, do it.
Had a fuck up, but we're back on course. Beautiful area. It's so pretty. And muddy. But mostly pretty. How was that?
It was alright. It was less pirate ship than I thought it would be.
My rocks were super fun.
Rocks and roots, baby.
Aw, that's a cool ass bench. That's really cool. I like it. Indeed. feeling that, Bert. As we are cresting our last mileage, how you feeling?
I feel great.
It's a good birthday run?
It's a good birthday run.
No rain.
No rain somehow.
Fully expecting to come out here and get drenched.
It's supposed to have.
And somehow didn't. And I guess we couldn't have planned that better if we tried.
We did try.
We did try. So, it's been a good day. Happy birthday, motherfucker. Died at 30. This is really fucking cool. I forgot to accidentally pause my watch at one point, so I only got 10.38, but it's okay. Alright, so this is the Bowie natural area, nature park. Bowie Nature Park.
Nature something. Nature natural.
It's on Google, find it. Super fun. I really enjoyed all none of the trails are too long. The perimeter trail is 4.5.
Yeah.
I think 5 total from the parking lot.
Yeah.
And then a bunch of meandering trails within that. So you can make a day of it or do a quick loop, whatever you wanted. And all the trails, yeah, lots of variety, lots of nice cushy pine bed trails. Super nice to run on. All in all, a super fun trip. So we'll definitely be back here, especially when we drive it. Cool. All right. Happy birthday, man.
Thanks, man.